The first thing I would do would be start to look for yoga teachers who have an established online presence and deliver something digital. The reason for this is because most yoga teachers, after their teacher training, they go through this incredible transformation and they discover that they don't like their job, they don't like where they live, they want to live a completely different lifestyle, they want to work less, they want to eat more healthy food, they want to do more exciting things, and they want to live abroad. So if that is you, then you need to start looking at people who are already successful working online. One of the things that took me a long time was I sort of went the slow approach. First, I did free classes in the park, then I did group classes, then I did yoga studio classes, then I did privates, then I did teacher trainings, and it just sort of like went from there. And I'm glad that I did that, but I wish that I had focused on the technical part sooner, because then I could have built those things more quickly and moved through that process faster.